following message is conducted on behalf of the Greensboro Police Department. The Greensboro Police Department is searching for two missing children, Davion McCollum and Neveah McCollum. Davion McCollum is a 6-year-old black male, with black hair, and brown eyes 3 feet tall, weighing 50 pounds. Neveah McCollum is a 2-year-old black female, with black hair, and brown eyes 2 feet tall, weighing 30 pounds. Davion McCollum was last seen wearing a white t-shirt and blue jean shorts. Neveah McCollum was last seen wearing yellow hair bows in a ponytail, a white shirt, and blue jean shorts. There is allegedly one abductor, named Michael Mayo, with no current vehicle information available. If you have any information about Davion and Nevaeh McCollum, or the abductor Michael Mayo, please contact the Greensboro Police Department at 336-373-2287 or 911.